Welcome back. In the last task, we edited the About page and added a link back to the home page in the text. In this task, we will touch up our contact page and make sure all pages are linked to the appropriate page in the website. You should already be logged into your WordPress dashboard. If you're not, pause the video now and log into your WordPress account. Let's begin this task by editing the contact page. In your dashboard, click on the Pages link to access the list of pages in your website. Then click on the contact page to open it and begin editing. Click on the line of text that begins with "Don't hesitate." Highlight the text and begin to edit the text by adding the following. For more information about our shop, gear, writing clubs, or lessons, fill out the form below to contact us. We will get back to you shortly. We can say we will get back to you within 24 business hours. Or if you prefer, give us a call or stop by. Change the text in the Get in Touch text to match the address on the home page. So it should read 1 Market Square. The city is San Antonio. Click on state, Texas, and then the zip is 12345. We'll leave it to USA. We want to go ahead and link the address to Google Maps. So click that toggle. Copy and paste the email. So we can go back to here. We can actually go to our home page. Scroll down. So we can go ahead and select the email, right-click, copy, go back to the page, right-click, paste. Leave the phone as a generic phone number already on the home page as well. And then let's add social media buttons that you want to link from your website. For the Love of Bikes does not have a Twitter account, so we want to delete that button. So click on the Twitter account. So Twitter, and we're going to just click delete or remove block. We can do this by clicking on it to move block. Now let's go ahead and add the YouTube link since we occasionally like to post videos showing gear or rides. So click on the YouTube icon. Enter the address www.youtube.com. We will add the general URL because we don't have a specific URL for a YouTube account. But if you did, this is where you would find it and add it. Finally, we want to add the form under the heading "Send us a message." Click the button that says Add Form. And we are finished updating the contact page. Click Update in the upper right corner. And you are ready to go with the contact page. If you need more time to complete this task, pause the video now. Let's return to the home page to begin making sure all pages are correctly linked. So click on the W in the upper left corner to get back to the dashboard. In order to preview the web page, click on the URL and the title just above the upgrade prompt in the upper left corner of the screen. You are now in preview mode and should be able to see the home page. We always want to check links before we publish a website. Remember, this website is actually set to private, so we're the only ones that can see it. So we can check this by going back to Pages, Notice this says private, but the rest of our sites or the rest of our pages don't say that. So click on the three dots and click View Page. Oh, we want to go edit the page. So click here. Document, we're going to go ahead and set it to private. Click OK. And do the same thing for the rest of the pages. So you can see that it's updating, so we don't have to change it or set the update. Two more. And the last one should be set to private as well. So remember, you can do all this by clicking on Document, click Public, and click Private, click OK. It is now updating. So let's now go back to the home page. We actually want to go ahead and preview, so we can click here. Now we're previewing the website. So let's check the menu of page links in the top corner of the home page. You should be taken to the corresponding page. Once you have checked those, click on Home to get back to the home page. So that is on our blog, clubs and lessons, and contact. Let's go ahead and click Home. Scroll down to check the call to action buttons. So visit our shop. Yep. So we can click Home, and you can continue to scroll down. We want to check our blog and our clubs. Home. Oops, scrolled a little bit too fast. Visit our clubs. We can see that Visit Our Clubs needs a link. So let's go ahead and go back to the home screen. And we can do this by clicking on the tab at the top of the page in the browser so that we don't have to leave the home page. We needed to add Visit Our Clubs, so we can go ahead and click on the link for clubs and lessons, copy link, click on it. Whoop. Let's go ahead and edit the page. Here we go. Click on the link, edit, right click, paste, open in a new tab, press enter, and update. So now it should be set. So now Visit Our Club should work. So let's go ahead and preview it. Scroll down. And there we go. Visit Our Clubs is set. So click edit at the top of the page, and we don't need to go ahead and we can go ahead and click close at the top of the page because we are done editing. And now that we have double checked all of the links, take a moment to review each page for any typos and to really look at the features of each page. Notice the opportunity for visitors to subscribe to the shop blog, the list of links to individual blog posts, and you can continue to make adjustments to your pages and add additional features. We will not publish this website since it is a demo website. However, if you wish to publish your website, you can return to the Pages page on the dashboard and click on the three dots next to each page heading and choose Publish from the drop-down menu. Congratulations! You have learned how to build a full website around a blog using WordPress. You now know how to link pages, embed links in pages, add social media buttons and widgets, and featuring the blog. Thank you for taking the Build a Full Website Around a Blog Using WordPress Advanced course.